So finally Aryan Khan got bail after 3 weeks in jail. लेकिन ये केस इतना सीधा साधा नहीं है. At the same time, controversial independent witness KP Gosavi को भी अरेस्ट कर लिया गया है. Hostile witnesses, corruption allegations, controversial investigators, politics and involvement of big celebrities. Aryan Khan's drug scandal is everything but a simple straightforward case. पिछले कई दिनों में इस केस में इतने ज्यादा डेवलपमेंट्स हुए हैं कि समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि आखिरकार हो क्या रहा है. So let me give you a timeline of events and explain the controversies जिसके बाद आप भी यही सोचेंगे that this is not an ordinary case. October 2nd, Narcotics Control Bureau (NCB) raids a cruise ship near Mumbai to Goa and seizes banned substances. It also detains a few people including SRK's son Aryan Khan. Soon after this raid on October 6th, Nawab Malik, who is an NCP leader and also a minister, alleged that this raid was fake. He also pointed out the presence of two private individuals in this raid. Manish Bhanushali, who is a former BJP office bearer, and other was NCB witness KP Gosavi, who himself is accused in a cheating case. KP Gosavi का इस स्टोरी में और भी बड़ा रोल है, लेकिन उसको हम बाद में डिस्कस करेंगे. लेकिन इन एलिगेशंस के बाद और इस रेड को ठीक से देखने के बाद people started questioning NCB's ways. Meanwhile, on October 7th, Aryan Khan was sent to judicial custody. On October 14th, his bail plea was rejected by a special Mumbai court. अब आते हैं October 16th पर. On this date, NCB leader Nawab Malik highlighted another witness in this case, Fletcher Patel. He also alleged that this person, Fletcher Patel, is a friend of Yasmin Wankhede, who is the sister of Samir Wankhede, the officer who is heading this investigation. The question was how a friend of the investigator's family can be an independent witness in this case. Yasmin, on the other hand, said that Fletcher is her Rakhi brother. Let's come to October 21st now. On this day, NCP leader Nawab Malik accused NCB and specifically Samir Wankhede of extortion. He alleged that when Bollywood stars were in Maldives a few months back, Samir Wankhede was also there. He also added a Dubai connection to this case. Malik wants to highlight a jhol in this coincidence. Wankhede clarified that he was on a family trip to Maldives and the permission was sought for this trip.
जब आप मालदीव गए तब वहाँ पे कुछ बॉलीवुड के सितारे भी मौजूद थे.
कोई भी मेरे
इस तरह की भाषा
ये बहुत ही घिनौनी शब्द इस्तेमाल किए गए थे.
अब आते हैं October 24th पर, जिस दिन सबसे बड़ी कंट्रोवर्सी देखने को मिली. याद है मैंने वीडियो के बिगनिंग में आपको बताया था केपी गोसावी के बारे में. अब तक वो गायब हो चुके थे और अब सामने आए उनके बॉडीगार्ड प्रभाकर सेल. प्रभाकर, like KP Gosavi, is another independent witness in this case. He alleged that 25 crore rupees was demanded on behalf of NCB's Samir Wankhede. Why? To let off Aryan Khan. He alleged that one Sam D'Souza, KP Gosavi and SRK's manager Pooja Dadlani also met in the car to discuss something shortly after Aryan Khan was caught by the agency. प्रभाकर ने ये भी कहा कि उन्होंने ऐसा सुना कि डील सेटल हुई 18 करोड़ पे, जिसमें से 8 करोड़ मिलने वाले थे NCB के समीर वानखेड़े को. NCB denied all these allegations but also said that a formal inquiry will be done in this case. At the same time, Samir Wankhede wrote to Mumbai police and sought protection from any framed case. अब आते हैं दूसरी सबसे बड़ी कंट्रोवर्सी पर, जो कि इस केस से नहीं लेकिन एनसीबी ऑफिसर समीर वानखेड़े से लिंक्ड है. On October 25th, NCP leader shared a copy of his birth certificate on Twitter. He alleged that Wankhede had forged a document to get into IRS and called him a fraud. उन्होंने वानखेड़े को एक्यूज किया गलत डॉक्यूमेंट्स को यूज करने का और रिजर्वेशन सिस्टम का गलत यूज करने का. वानखेड़े रबिश्ड these allegations as well. ये तो मैंने आपको समझाई टाइमलाइन. Let us have a look at the bigger questions now. The first question is, what is the role of KP Gosavi in this whole scandal? At the same time, how did he get access to NCB office? How did he manage to click pictures with Aryan Khan? What was he doing in the NCB raid? Number 2. What is the Dubai and Maldives linked to this scandal? Why doesn't Samir Wankhede clarify this? Number 3. Does NCB really have strong evidence in this case? This question is being asked because news reports indicate that NCB officers did not find any drugs with Aryan Khan but only the WhatsApp chats. तो क्या ये पूरा केस खाली WhatsApp chats पर बेस्ड होगा? Number 4 and the biggest question, in the last 1 year of NCB raids, why hasn't the drug agency caught any big fish? Why is it specifically focusing more on Bollywood celebrities and individual cases? Questions तो बहुत हैं but answers एक भी नहीं. But one thing is very clear, there is more to this case than meets the eye. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section. And if you like this video, do not forget to drop in a like and subscribe to India Times.